Welcome everyone. In this video we're gonna introduce software testing. To quickly provide a definition of what software testing is, we will say that's the practice of making objective judgments regarding the extent to which the system meets, exceeds, or fails to meet stated objectives. So, what's the purpose of testing? First, verifying stated objectives and requirements. Second, uncover situations that could negatively impact customers. Then, the risk mitigation. Consequently, we can say that finding bugs is in fact a side effect of testing. So why we use testing? We'll say that it helps you understand the software. The test will make you interact with the product and its components and with its use cases. It also improves the stability of the system and has to deliver software that meets expectations. It protects against the extremely unpleasant regression and serves as a metric of the quality of the code. Consequently, testing can establish if the software does or does not work under specific conditions. Let's introduce the types of testing. Unit testing is a software testing method by which individual units of source code, methods, or classes are tested to determine whether they are fit for use. Integration testing is the phase in software testing in which individual software components are combined and tested as a group. However, system testing is testing conducted on a complete integrated system to ensure system compliance with its specified requirements. And finally, acceptance testing, which is the level in software testing process where the product is given the green light or not. So we should not forget to mention that there are two levels in testing. A high-level testing is more abstract. It describes overall goals and systemic features. It is typically more concerned with the interaction with the user through GUI, with the system as a whole, or larger components of it. A low-level testing, however, describes individual components and how they operate. Now let's talk about manual testing. Manual testing is the type of software testing where testers manually execute test cases without using any automation tools and verify that a given input brings to the correct output. Manual testing does not require the knowledge of any automation tool, but it requires a lot of skills and also a lot of time and efforts to manually execute step by step and to verify the results. As 100% automation is usually not possible, manual testing becomes a must. As previously stated, finding bugs is a side effect of testing. We just explained the manual testing is a must, but automated tests may play back a list of predefined actions, compare the results of expected behavior, and report the success or failure of these tests. Automated tests may be created, parameterized, and repeatedly executed more frequently and demand less efforts than manual ones. If you ask yourself what should be tested, you should include the business logic, the part of the program that represents the real-world business rules. Second, the invariants, which are all expressions whose value does not change during the program execution. For example, the identifier of a person should not change during the execution of a program. Third one, the unexpected conditions are the conditions that are not part of the normal operation of a program. Then we have the bad input values. For example, test you cannot assign a negative number of places in a flight. Then, the boundary conditions. Use edge values input like maximum and minimum inside-outside boundaries. For example, test flights that having 0 passengers or have more than the maximum allowed passengers. And finally, the regressions. Seek to uncover new software bugs in an existing system after changes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the bell for more interesting content, and thanks for watching.